Good morning, boys and girls. It is week 8, May 12th, Tuesday, and we're looking at our Phonics lesson 154 for ABEKA Phonics. We're looking at pages 307 and 308, and the front is a beautiful coloring page with just some simple instructions. What I want you to do is focus in on coloring carefully with sharp pencils to finish coloring the boys and girls who are on this hike. Also, make sure you do a nice job on the trail guide and the butterflies. Then, if you have time, you can finish the background. Please do not scribble on this page. Do your careful best on the children and the trail guide. And make sure when you are done, if you have time, do the background, but don't start with the background and no scribbling. These children are on a hike with the park ranger. They lined up in ABC order. Look at the first letter of each child's name and number their names in ABC order. That sounds pretty easy, but let's just look. Is Z going to be our first one? Probably not. Probably it'll either be Abby or Ethan. Probably Abby because Abby starts with A. So go ahead, and that's going to be the number 1. And then number 2 is going to be Carter. Okay, I'll let you finish that on your own. Go ahead and flip the page over. And you can go ahead and do this part first before you're coloring if you'd like, boys and girls, but please make sure you're listening to the whole video before you begin. Section 1. Write the nouns as possessive nouns. Example, Kelly family visited the national park. Kelly's family, apostrophe S. The park ranger told her parents about the park program just for kid, and it belongs to the park, so it's going to be parks, apostrophe S. And you'll keep doing that through section 1. In section 2, make the incomplete thoughts into sentences by adding your own words. After I woke up this morning, and then you basically are going to write a sentence about what you did. Perhaps you could say, after I woke up this morning, I went back to sleep. Or after I woke up this morning, I ate breakfast. So you're going to just do that, but carefully look at the first ones, because if you're careful, you can make it into a very interesting story. After I woke up this morning, something happened. I noticed 3 large yellow somethings. Then I heard a squeaky something else, and I was surprised to find. So go ahead and write what it could have been. Please don't do anything gross or rude. I would really look forward to hearing what you have here for your story. Okay, section 3, underline the verb twice in the subject 1. Draw a line between the subject and predicate and diagram the sentences. Now this is called marking the sentences and diagramming. So we'll say Carl saw 3 bison on Tuesday. What's the action? Saw. So that's 2 underlines. Who did it? Carl. That's 1 underline. And then a line between. So it should say Carl saw with a line between. And then over here you'll write Carl saw. Then complete the rest of the sentences in the same way. Again, when you're done, go ahead and color this. If you want to do a little bit of coloring first, like maybe color all of the kids' hair, or maybe just color one child completely, and then flip it over, and then do the back, and then color again. Please make sure that you're doing your best work. I look forward to seeing it